Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Talk am as e be with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Apostle Alfred say work still full ground for Edo State wey the governor need to do. Make I leave you now with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Make you for know the kind work wey still dey for the governor to do. Enjoy the video.
Hello, my people, my brothers and sisters. On a good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on the area where you connect with us this evening. Another day don't come, the day where God create with his own hand. And I let God they put road for where road not day. Now let God they talk word when they reach and nobody they change them. I welcome when I come to the broadcast, talk am as a be. Talk am as a be now, broadcast of truth. Where would they talk am as it be? We know they add, we know they remove. As it be, now so would they talk am. White man will say it the way it is. So white man know they play boo yeah. They go talk am as it be. Talk am as it be in a broadcast of truth, and truth be like bitter leaf. When it be safe to you, if belly they turn you, you go drink bitter leaf. And your belly go arrange sharp. You know, say for some days I never chop bitter leaf. Very soon as you go plug the bitter leaf, come out, make I stitch you and make una see am say, now so truth be like bitter leaf. So many things dey to put mouth. But first of all, I go pray. The spirit will follow this coronavirus, we want shut down the entire world. So, make that spirit wither by fire. Oh. All the demonic lockdown, where they tell they lock our people down for everywhere for the whole world now. Make that spirit find the level. We don't want that coronavirus. So anybody where they hide under this coronavirus, where they tell they chop money, just till they keep people under bondage, we decree, may they expire in a hurry in the name of Jesus Christ. And we command the power of God Almighty, make it rest upon this country, may it rest upon this world. Because this coronavirus of 18, they cause a lot of damage for the whole world now, and it don't make sense. And I pray say God go heal as many will be say it don't they infected with this coronavirus. And I pray God go they preserve all our brothers and sisters for Bodo. God go they preserve all of una. Una no go be victim of coronavirus attack. God go they protect una. My name is Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, aka Talk Am As E Be. My brother they here with me this evening.
And I, Victor Olise. Good evening, everybody.
So my brother Olise, you know say matter full ground we want talk. This evening we want look at those states because so many things full ground for governor to do. So many things they full ground. So many matter full ground. And I guess some area we'll see what pass today and we will talk on some of the things we'll see, we'll be say we'll never be talking. So this evening we will talk on so many things they where they beg for government attention. So many area day, so many things they where they beg for the thing that those things that they need that they beg for government attention. Some of those things are some of our schools when they need government attention. Some of our road and what they call the names of those schools if you remember, and some of the road we will remember, what they call them this evening so that make governor carry a satellite, go that area, make it done like this. You go just do like this. So as you carry the satellite, go like this. You just say, contractor, oh yeah, go and visit that area. You go do like this. Microscope, you go do like this. So after you don't look and you say, yes, contractor, oh yeah, go to that area, go and walk. Go to that village, go and walk. So now so they be, and we also remind them all the promise we promise people during campaign. I know say go fulfill them, but everything of it they had. So would they remind them? Now be the essence of this broadcast. Talk about it be. Remember that which of the area you do also want where you see say they beg for government attention because so many things put my table here where I want to talk about. So I want to make you just tell the people the area where you want me government still look into.
My country people, a good evening, a good morning, a good afternoon, anywhere for the listen to us and also they watch us live for today. Talk Am As E Be. Nigeria matter, Edo State matter. Long.
What
Long. Where we want to start from. Now, another very big question when we dey ask ourselves. This no be say because say we dey lose hope, but this na because say on a daily basis we dey realize say wetin we want
E plenty o.
e plenty, and this na reason why we go also try see how we go take focus on the government agenda, because why every government get their own agenda, but for us what we think is very critical right now is understanding that the government need to align our own agenda with the people's agenda.
Mm-hmm.
Now see this morning when we dey video BDPA road, person talk for the comment say na light we need. Do you want to blame that person? You can't blame that person. Na light in need now. Na light in value now.
Yeah, pass road though.
Pass road.
Even if road not bad, it don't
so
concern
you
am.
cannot blame that person because na light in need now. So all of us, our need, it dey very enormous. But we also understand say government no fit do everything once. That means government must start from one place and then begin to dey move small, small. And the issue of light na another critical thing when we believe say the government really need to pay attention to and point the touch to. Yes, you don't give us Oshomo power plant. Very well understood. The Oshomo power plant, how many Edo people fit access that light now? Why? Because say that light was done for Edo people. It's part of the development. Why? Because that is the only thing, one of the major factor rather, when they make business and economy grow for any state. We go want make the governor may help us open the source of the light so that people for community go fit get access to the light. That's number one. Number two, I no wan already go enter school. I wan talk about road. Edo State, if you don't live for Edo State, you know say Edo State get better road network.
Good. In fact, we get one of the best road network for the whole country.
Africa.
Yeah.
In Africa, now that they didn't know Edo State. Edo State has the best road network, meaning saying anywhere you just put your leg,
You go come out.
you come out from
You
another
come
place.
out. Or you go meander.
If you try for Lagos, na person parlor,
Now you go come out.
and you come out, or person bedroom,
Or
dey
kitchen,
bath,
or maybe they
kitchen,
cook.
where the person want to weigh hot water for
You pour for your
window,
body.
na your body go through. But Edo State get better road network, and that road network Edo State get. This na why we dey say e go dey better make we fit do our adjoining road, our intra roads, so that e go help dey ease the hold up when dey happen for major road. Number one. Number two, e go help ease traffic
From the major road.
from major road. Number three, we all know say road durability, how road take dey last, na big issue for our country.
Because
You understand, sir?
Lobo.
So if we fit get intra roads, that means say road go fit dey last, because the amount of people when they use the major road
E
go
go
come
reduce.
reduce, because some people come decide to dey pass
Corner.
corner.
They part meander.
Another thing when the government need to pay attention to, security. We know well say Edo State na very lovely place to live, but because of all the things wey don dey happen over time, and the issue of security and don be wetin we need to really pay attention to. The government must continue to sponsor and promote community policing.
Very, very important though.
Why? Because this
Go
community
encourage
policing,
them.
this community policing, na people wey dey live for community,
Now they know the people within the community.
and dem know the people wey dey the community.
And it would be very easy for them to
catch anybody. E go dey very easy. I go like commend their effort. Yesterday I dey Mission Road and I see wetin happen for Mission Road. All of a sudden we just see say some people dey run. Wetin dey pursue them? Then because say they pursue one boy, they trace am come for stolen laptop.
He can't sell and give people the
He
buy
come
when they sell
am-
laptop.
He come sell am for people when they sell laptop for Ring
Mission
Road
Road
there,
there.
for Mission Road there. When I check who dey there, na community policing o. Vigilante, na dem carry the guy come dey point other people
Wey
buy am, when they involve
Wait, if all
for
the
the
crime,
matter too.
yes.
This na say we no fit undermine the strength of community policing, and also as you dey help us set up community policing, governor abeg, you go help us set up their guideline
May they not go to do
May
part
they
themselves.
not go to do pass themselves because when I know say
Nigeria factor.
Africa, waiting they do us month. If you give us power,
You go take out to the extreme.
before you know, community police when be own just to the.
You'll come become chief's landlord. You'll come become governor on his own.
If you become governor overnight, you don't understand. So please, we will need make you help us set their guideline, and then they should be schooled properly. May help us talk to them.
Now, two things you just the jump. You just the jump. May you wait first now. We never finish road the matter.
Are they analyze?
No confuse our people.
Okay.
We will fair analyze road finish.
Okay.
You know, say for school now, if you take class, I get one lecturer now for school. The man is very good, though. He is very good, sir. The man good for paper presentation. He did very good, but not good to teach students. He go pass like this. You know what you do so? You go pass like this. You go pass like this. You go come. You say, do you understand? You go come back. So we don't understand.
Yeah.
I don't know if you get that.
Yeah.
So as we dey prepare now, like road now, like those areas we don't follow today now, those things we go need to echo again. Because if you check that road now, my brother, make you never jump God. Some you not confuse our people. Talk how much it be. Me, I know say you honor, you want the security committee policing. Fine. I know they argue with you. But make we not my people not lie. Not say man talk how much it be. So that road from 19th Street Junction, you say that road connect.
Yeah, sure.
It can go enter Adolo, where they go on, right? From Adolo, you know the Adolo road now, it can go straight to Welu.
Yeah.
Can go, and that road now from Welu, it can go Ogida, Siloko Road. Now, if you check them now, you will say project don't did the way previous administration don't start.
Yeah.
So what did happen?
I don't get access to that information.
No, I don't see. Why be say if government did they start work, why they don't they finish them? Why?
So many factors.
Ilalobo, because they don't share the money.
So many factors. This na problem from our own part too as the people.
Okay, because we know they do monitoring.
God bless you, sir.
We know they ask questions.
We don't ask questions. We do not follow. We do not even know.
No follow up.
The contract. Sorry, the contractor when they award the contract give. We don't even know the integrity of the company when they award and give. You just be like waiting Obaseki come and talk now. Against NDDC. He say make NDDC not do any project for Edo State.
Meanwhile, you know say people not do the fight them now.
Until they come through the state government, which to a very large extent is right.
It's right.
You understand? So the people too must take ownership of any project. So it's a fault on our own part. Why? Because from the onset as they start the project, we supposed not say this project now 2 years project. We supposed to say this project now 6 month project. They will tell us. They will tell us, okay, this project now 5 naira I want to do amo. Now 5 million want to do amo. This project now this contractor now in they do amo. You understand, sir? Okay, fine. This and this and this. Now the risks when we make us see say we know if we finish this project in 6 months the way they schedule. So if they not can do the project in 6 months or in 2 years as they promise us, we can now take them on their heel. But most times we don't do it.
Not be most time. We know they do them at all.
We don't do it. So as we just see they just carry grader come, all of a sudden they shout, they won't come do our road. Oh. It is our right
to ask questions.
How
far contractor? What did they saw?
What are they doing? And we expect, say, most especially community heads, elders in communities.
No, you go there, my brother. No, you go there. Now this community head, not there be problem.
Okay.
I had to tell you so. All those community heads, they collect Ilalobo. You know they call it Ilalobo, kick it back. Yes, now say Ilalobo. Deve. Ilalobo. Because by the time when you don't touch now, they go lick hand. They don't go ask question again because those contractors, they see those headers so. Talk can have be so that Ilalobo. After you know Ilalobo finish the Lobo. So whether the people do work or they don't do work or it not concern them. Now imagine the road where they are bad for Welu today. You not see the underground drainage where Oshumole they do the con. Where they just do the gutter, this one big in my house. Now they reach.
Yeah.
And that gutter now it's supposed to go join the stormwater project when they come. For where they come from Ojo. under the power line. And that power, that stormwater project, if they go where they say they carry and they go a Kadolo area, because they follow that power line. It's supposed to follow Okun. You say so. Yeah. Now, so the project now, according to them, but we say now it's about the money. Know what will go. They will go video and give you now. Go video now.
As you told you to imagine, say okay, fine. It go there ideal. Make, for example, the commissioner for works, make he, in terms of being transparent, so more of you know where they pick up government from and where they are going to as well. It go there ideal. For example, commissioner for works should come out and tell the people, say, see, this now waiting we inherited from the past administration, and this now waiting we fit do in the next 4 years, as the case may be.
They know they talk.
Yeah, and we expect them to come out and do all this. Why? Because if we start to lament, we not go look Obaseki Ayo. Me, I go talk am as be. I go flog am. The governor. I know, because why? It is his duty, just like when people talk about palliative and they say the state supposed get food reservation. I say yes, I don't kick against the state not having food reservation. I study agriculture. I know this. We are supposed to have a food bank, but transparency from the part of the government. When I say transparency, if, for example, 100 items, food items enter those states, and the government can come out, can tell us, say, my people, we'll fish share 80% of this 100% now. We won't keep 20% for our reserve bank, should in case of disaster. You understand? That one, people go talk anyhow to government, but government don't come out. They don't communicate. And then they share the 80%. They keep the 20%, but they did not communicate with us. But all of a sudden, we just wake up. We see palliative for inside warehouse. Una come, they tell us, say, reservation. Who una tell? So we expect that there should be communication.
And now, see, my brother, you know, that's why we get commissioner for information. Okay. But the truth be say, all this commissioner information, they're not going to do. Now, what did they tell them they go do?
They be a Lai Mohammed.
Like Lai Mohammed in a professor for line department. Now be the prof. Now follow all the APC leaders, they are all liars. Without apology to anybody, they are all liars. Now, check these people. Now, what thing they tell you now you go do? That's why we need people. We be say they go they talk come as it be. Now, if government is transparent, then they tell us, say, see, 15 naira come today. Oh, for this 15 naira, we want spend 3 kobo. The remaining 2 kobo, see where one put up. I believe say this thing will go a long way. True. In helping us, which is transparency. Because for Nale Obaseki regime, now we see small, little, we see some transparency. No be say complete finish. Oh. That's what they be now. But it's not in a human being too, not be spirit, you see they try. But you know say never see complete finish. So the matter when you read the grant, for that contract with the award for Welu where they go Kadolo, I mean where they go Adolo College. Me I go like make governor investigate that matter. Because me I go like make governor investigate that matter. Why they abandon that project? The road project, what they do? The stormwater project, it come follow Welu come out, Welu village, it come Welu, it come Adolo College. Why they abandon that road? Why they abandon the gutter? Because the gutter now, they don't cover the abandoned project. So me I go like make governor visit that site. And I pray, say, make the video do to the minute share on this table. Make it watch and make it visit that side. Waiting happen. If they don't finish their contract based on paper, or the state government they owe the contractor money, may they call contractor, may they settle the money, may they go finish that work. Because waiting my eyes see today, I know they're happy because government and continuity. Yeah. So where this one stop, they don't want to go continue. Maybe for paper, the future don't finish them, but we don't know. I want to be saying now, make government come out. They tell us, say, so road though, this road though, Gbowo Lagos road. According to paper, they don't award them or they don't share the money. But my people, what do we do? Everybody will go round table discussion. Make we see how fit do that road. So that 19th Street road, you know that I show you one honorable member.
Yeah.
Funny enough, our representative for Edo now wicked though. All these honorable, una they very wicked. Una they very greedy and self-centered because The area where una dey stay, no impact. No impact, no impact. Una not get impact for una area where una dey stay. Una just to buy big jeep. Una fit pass enter na house. But see, make I tell una, let make Oyibo State a better pass una. Because anywhere white man dey for America, any for the whole world, they make people with their around them, they feel the impact of governance. But our own, anywhere honorable day, their own be saying that just their family and themselves, they go raise big fence, put bomb wire, put one standby generator, finish. But they don't affect their community. If the way that honorable way dey 19th Street and a former attorney general, now they put hand for that matter, they for do that 19th Street. Excuse me.
Listen.
At that 19th Street, now strong bypass. Excuse me.
Listen.
I better
Sorry.
talk.
Sorry, listen, sir. No, too common mind. Now, it gets some people when pull left for ground. We don't already shift their leg come up for ground. Apostle won't go drink water. So, very quickly, it get waiting. I want also add mouth. Join waiting Apostle the talk. As for Apostle just the talk, so many things just they enter my mind. I just the reason say, what will it take us, the Nigerian people, to see how we fit take join hands together to make Nigeria work? Number one, you be elder for community. Government can come or any developmental agency, maybe donor agency, international this can come say they want help una do una road, for example. Una come see na that time, some people will come, they don't see they be elder. They will come, they make requests on certain things when we in that the project. Now that time, some people come to see they be youth. They will come gather themselves in 3s, in 5 to take go disturb that project. Wait till una dey benefit. E get one area for Wagboe here. One guy carry do light. One guy, he fix light from Wagboe. He carry and go down to Selu Market. That light, the poles when he fix, solar light, if I don't miss my count, they are over 50. And they say each one is more than 300,000 naira. Only one guy. They come ask and say, why you do this thing? He said, because say his papa get house for inside Wagboe there. He said papa get house for inside Wagboe there. And say papa at times they always drive for night. And as papa they drive for night, he don't like say light no day. Because papa no day save. Say don't beg papa, may go beat that for papa for jail. Say papa say lie. This house when I live so. Now my money when I take work, now I take visa. I go live for this house. You know they carry me go any GRA. Now in the boy no get option. Now no be upstairs so now down house so. Now in the boy, okay, help papa renovate the house, paint them. Now one normal house, if I snap the house, show now the house, say see the house of the owner when do the street light, over 50 solar light. Una no go believe am. Una no go believe the person when do that street light. Just one person. He say because say his papa they waka, they drive past this place for night, and he won't make everybody eye see what dey happen for night. Now he dey do that thing so. Just one man. Now see what one person fit do. Not to not talk about government, but most of the times we don't realize that the things when they hinder development for our communities. Now we the people, the elders, and then those people they call themselves the youth leaders.
In fact, my brother,
those two people.
You do well. In fact, you see this must be your thought, so some of our big people will get money, they get them for themselves. Their money now to the oppressed will not get money. To the oppressed people. Now you talk about that Wagboe. You don't know how much for that solar. How many of us are to feed one?
One person.
I better continue because I don't want to vet this evening.
They ask him why he do this thing. He said because his papa they pass here for night. So our elders, now when they want to do development for our community, that time our community now one committee, maybe they bring shit up, maybe they bring this, or which they want to do for our own community.
They want to collect money.
That time I want you to come no say he be youth leader.
You can't come out.
May they bring 200,000. What's 200,000?
You call it show yourself.
What's 2 million when they won't give you? You want you because you want to collect 2 million. You collect the 2 million or the 500,000, and then the project when they're supposed to do, they'll come abandon the project. Why? The Nigerian problem, no be Nigerian government. Nigerian problem, na me and you, Nigerian people. And they talk this until tomorrow. When the Nigerian people wake up, Nigerian government
will wake up.
Nigerian government no fit carry do anything. When Nigerian people wake up, the Nigerian government, they know the right thing to do. They will begin to give it to us. But imagine say they want to do one project for my community now. Me, I dey try form one dirty youth leader, and they can't come. They can't give me 500,000. What is 500,000?
You collect money.
When they supposed to do it, I'll call it 500,000 when go finish. When how much for onions? When go finish? No. Instead of you to allow them do the project, another time you want to see some people, they'll come. They'll say they be old people. They'll come carry a chair, sit down. They stress people when want to do the project. It has happened to me. I'm function in the developmental this as well. You get one project I want to go do for one community. For Edo State, I don't talk the name of the community. Edo State here, we go there to go do a project. Then they start to ask us questions. Look at the lab. I say, see when children from our community no get school.
No school.
We want to create a class for them where people go to teach them.
They will fight, Jonah.
They challenge us. Instead, the engagement was right. Because now we carry ourselves, go they say, we don't do survey. Children for here no get access to school. Okay, we won't carry people come and go come to teach them for free. Yes, they get the right to engage us. But before you know, some people won't call the proof, say, small children, what they know. I just they laugh. When I believe that project no old.
Ew.
That project, no old. Their children full street like that.
They will fight government.
That project no old as we speak.
No, the question where me go there make government make government begin to ask them. All the people they sell land, they don't fit develop the area.
Okay.
They go sell land. Like Ugbowo, 19th Street down to where no people sell the land. My brother.
Money, they can't even account for the money anymore.
Owelu village, no people sell the land.
They don't know where that money they again.
Now people sell the land. Why they not use money that much to develop? When they sell land, now to carry women. They smoke ganja, they smoke urana, they drink champagne, they drink everything, drinkable. They move up and down. But yet, they don't fit build school. They don't fit build school. They go wait for government. Check on, see that 19th Street now. See the big man we did not be here. Now, where do you call it? For that 19th Street, CBN quarter they there. Custom quarter they there. You miss CBN and custom. They not feel attract government, federal president come there.
The people they enjoy the road now. Apostle, Nigerian government will be Nigerian problem. Apostle, Nigerian problem is me and you. Nigerian problem, is not Nigerian government. Okay, they don't already buy their SUV when they want to give them. Senators and House of Rep. You go see, you see the Jeep. The Jeep they rent for 2,060 now. When they want to give them.
They want share Jeep now.
SUV. If you like, shoot and you no go enter. The Nigerian problem is not the Nigerian government, now me and you. When we ready, we'll fix this country. When we ready, we'll fix this country. We now see waiting they spoil. Nigerian man will still come say because say he be party man. What's party man?
You go spoil them.
Something is getting bad. You can see it for yourself. That is getting bad, but you are saying you are protecting the integrity of your party. What's integrity of what dirty party? What party? At the expenses of the Nigerian people? See, because I be party A, I be party B. What's party A or party B? This is getting. Can't you talk to your leader in party A or in party B?
Talk with you.
Say, this is getting bad.
Hey, my
this
brother.
This is getting bad.
No. If you talk, you not get Ilalobo again. Ilalobo.
No.
You not get Ilalobo again.
Apostle, are they even talking about the ordinary Nigerian man when they street with us so?
That be problem now.
You know they even collect. You know they see anyone and I collect. But because he just carry party for head, he go just say he want to protect your own party.
Yeah.
What are you protecting?
Where people are dying.
We are saying a nation. You are saying party. What you consider party concern nation? When everything is scattered, they go.
So now people, Victor, God bless you, because all of us need to sit down, talk about CB, because we need to add those community youth and the elders money where they sell for land. Where they use the money they do. Because they only agree to develop that area. They only build school. They only build market. They only build hospital. Wait. Time don't reach to the ask these people question because now all this is they hinder development. Now when they talk about 19th we go come back for Wello and Wasota, no people said the whole land. Now people said the land.
How many we want to talk about?
People put money for pocket. They chop money.
How many we want to talk? How many do we want to talk?
They sit down, they chop money. Now you would blame government. Government do this. The money when you sell for land, what you use and they do? You carry women, you smoke igbo, you smoke morocco, you smoke cigar, you drink, you carry women. Yes, build hotel. Then you say you don't build. So all these things now, we will need to point finger to ourselves. Because if we correct ourselves, government go correct. Why? Because the government no get choice. Go check on the community. Make I use Okun as an example now. Which community market will they develop? They manage build market now. You know the progress. You did there. Igosa. Does Igosa have market? You say now this is a community market built by Igosa. Now this is the school built by Igosa. They call go Ovyoge. So this is a community market built by Ovyoge. That this market, there is school built by Ovyoge community in one day. Now, go Evomore. Evomore not get community market. They don't get community hospital. They never get road. They don't sell all the land. Some of the days that go abroad, they do everything, they come back. Why be say we go they sell land? We know they think about development. We know they think about development. It's all about ourselves. If we are not get community market, they don't get community school, na private school, no hospital, no healthcare center, na private. So, as we talk about these things, we need to start looking inward.
Now we need government no get
we need to start looking
problem.
Inward. Make we begin to remove the plank where they our eye before we remove the stick where the other people eye.
Apostle, to prove say government no get any problem. When Edo people decide, say, see who they want as governor, you know what happen?
It will happen now.
But what you're not telling me. When Edo people decide, say, see who they want as governor, the will of the people, you know, get them. We saw it now. Everywhere we enter, campaigning for Obaseki. Everywhere. As people, they hear the music, they come. People don't run, come out from their inside there where they hide, come. They shout 4+4. That was the will of the people. You know, get our government, if you say, one strong rich. When the people decide to take charge of government,
they go push you out.
They'll get it.
But our people in that low ball.
Nigerian people will never feel understand, say, you get when they call party and you get what they call nationalism. No be party, now they drive development. Party has its own ideology. A nation has its own ideology. We must ensure, say, anybody when we voting for from party A or party B, the ideology must tally with the nation ideology. Does Nigeria has an ideology?
Which the ideology? My brother, no, there is an ideology. The Nigeria ideology is looting.
What is the vision?
They get vision now. Why they talk like
What's
this?
The vision?
They have vision.
What's vision?
They have vision. Let me tell you the vision. Operation loot, steal, carry my children abroad, carry my wife abroad, go to party, build hotel. I'm okay. You don't know. They have vision now. If they don't get vision, will they be campaigning? They have vision. What is their vision? To steal, to drink, to build hotel. Where do the guys sometimes guys they go? They get vision.
You wake up every morning. What you see, what you hear.
All nonsense.
Ugly stories. Ugly stories. What you see, what you hear on a daily basis. Ugly stories. And yet, we have billions of dollars passing through this nation.
Every second.
Billions of dollars.
Every minute.
See waiting Timmy Silva go do when they say you want go carry want go the import fuel from Niger Republic.
Leave that one first. My brother, if you just talk about that with the verse for that man.
Is that not laughable? That's laughable. Is that not a shame towards as a nation?
Shame.
People, Niger Republic, when their population don't reach Edo State population, now you won't come to give us fuel and then get refinery to give us fuel. Now we did the analysis. So okay, fine. Waiting the Niger do to get this kind of thing. Waiting Niger to get that kind of thing. Now waiting we will close I do within the seconds.
I want to just blink at.
But the minister for petroleum come out, open his mouth, say
he
says a win-win.
Win-win
for Nigeria.
The win-win
for Nigeria and for Niger. Say because Niger get leftover 15,000 leftover. Say we get the market, so it's a win-win for us. Is that not a shame? Is that not a shame? Is that Lai Mohammed come out? He says CNN they are desperate. Desperate of what? Say that they leak una secret come out. Say they are desperate.
You never say anything. CNN go put paper for now. You never say anything.
Una say no be una send soldier. That's what you told us in Lekki massacre at first. Una say no be una send soldier. Una say no be soldier. They be say maybe na people bandits when go wear soldier uniform. We dey argue and they go. Una say nobody die for there. We dey argue and they go. Later una come and say
54.
54. Una come out again say na rubber bullets. Una come out again say
fake news.
Fake news. Say governor say no be send, so say no be send soldier. Soldier say why we governor lie say no be send them. Now they see the discrepancy. Soldier someone say no be send them. Soldier say why you go lie for them say no be send them. Say na send them. Now CNN come carry the investigation. They use the satellite. They give us report. Una Lai Mohammed come out say na lie. Say that report you know hold water. Because of that, he wants sanction. Now they upgrade the report again. Give me
more upgrade though. Tomorrow, see that report come out.
As they upgrade the report, come out again. You know if you talk again, the next way come out for him and say they are desperate. Desperate for what?
You not say anything. No, see, my brother. If we actually get journalists for this country, all the TV stations wanna close down. All the TV stations in Nigeria, people should close down because you guys are useless. AIT, Channel TV, all of una. Close down.
They don't shame. Carry saying they won't come out CNN for DSTV. They won't come out CNN for DSTV. Who they use? Me, I want to say they watch DSTV. Who DSTV help when social media day? No be starting na Twitter block Nigeria this NCC account for Twitter. Is that not a shame? Twitter block our own NCC, our communication.
Because we not get anything.
CNN block them.
Never say anything.
So Twitter block them. Is that not a shame?
Very soon they'll come block National Agenda come up for Twitter.
That's a shame.
Never say anything.
Where BC you see House of Rep member, House of Assembly senator, they will carry say their constituency project. They will go buy machine to the ground pepper.
Maybe the ground pepper.
They will buy shovel, buy pompon,
maybe go to do
headpan,
maybe go to do
buy wheelbarrow,
bricklayer,
and you see some youth, some youth come say leader. Why now? Why? Is that the best we can have? Why? A whole constituency project, House of Senator, you go buy with the grand pepper. You go buy wheelbarrow.
You are very correct. Oh, they are all criminals. They should be shut down. Oh,
you go buy wheelbarrow. You go put people under sun, parents under sun. They go to clamp and is a leader there. Why? I said, why you know if you open?
I don't know. It's in now. You tell me say no TV station. Feel record what happen for Nigeria to give all the right information.
No.
Will not be disgraced.
No. A whole nation when federal executive go home meeting, presidency go home meeting. After the meeting, we no fit hear our president for 1 minute.
He reach say we not get president.
We no fit watch our president for 1 minute.
Now, news correspondent go tell us we had a national meeting, council meeting chaired by President Buhari.
Now channels will come and say we just held the Federal Executive Council meeting, and now correspondent go they give us the outcome of the meeting. Which as a who we offend? Why? The Nigerian people must wake up to realize that this country is our nation. The Nigerian government is not a Nigerian problem because they cannot be there without us. Where the issue of the NDC acting chairman went faint.
Brother, you just they go far. You did good, don't go far.
Where the case of that man today now?
You know, she said the man faint.
Where the case of that man today?
You know, she said the man. That's where he faint. That man call answer matter. You know the way he comes. That's where he faint.
Where is that man's case?
You know, yeah, off your mic. Off the mic. You know, yeah, the off mic. Off the mic. Honorable chairman, contract was awarded to you. Off the mic, off the mic. All the National Assembly, they were all gotten contract. Off the mic, off the mic, off the mic.
Where Akpabio today?
Off the mic.
Where is Akpabio?
Off the
Akpabio
mic.
case. Akpabio and Joy Nunia.
Oh.
Joy Nunia came up on air. Tell us, say Akpabio, they molest her. Say Akpabio won't sleep with her, but because she no agree. All these were flying at some point in time. But as we speak,
Distraction mechanism come up.
they don't distract.
They distract us. See, not until everybody go sit down. As the matter they come, we will tackle the matter squarely. Not until we reach that level, forget. We just waste our time.
Shift our attention, come out.
Okay, more increase the volume. Which of the volume?
They shift our attention, come out. Joy Nunia came out. So they sent some security men, we don't know who they be. May they go house, may they go pick her. Because she need to go House of Rep, Senate the next day to go present a claim. Overnight, they send people go meet her.
May I go cut your head off.
May they go pick her for house. Now Wicked drive, go there by himself. With the security men. He met those security agencies there. He asked them, yeah, why people here? Say you're here to arrest. Say where is those arrest warrants?
Aboki people for Congress.
He said, get out of this place.
See, let me tell you the full meaning of APC. Aboki People's Congress. APC. All past criminal organization.
You know, anything.
Oh, volume very low. Why volume go low? Why now? Not be down. Not be there. When are they here now? Is the volume okay now?
No, they're yours now, right?
Is it okay now? I've been two people. Is it okay now? Are you hearing me now?
Is the volume do okay? I beg just
give me a thumbs up. Say yes. The volume do okay.
Which of the Nigerian matter we want to analyze? To say okay, fine. Now this one, now we don't fit achieve.
My
Which
brother,
one?
The greatest achievement now, may I tell you, better. Now the greatest achievement, the greatest achievement is making life miserable for Nigeria. That is the greatest achievement, and they are happy.
Can you imagine?
And they are happy. That's the greatest achievement. Their greatest achievement now is to keep increasing fuel and be lying up and down. See, not until the people wake up to take the bull by the horn. Nothing they happen. Even when me and you they talk, so you don't say people see the attackers.
Of course now. They just carry look, say, what is people they talk?
They say we not get work.
You talk. I don't look and say this, so you don't know anything. You will die in your ignorance.
You shall not get work.
You will die in your ignorance. You are telling me the Nigerian government cannot tackle Boko Haram, a bandits in your country.
That they are sponsored by themselves.
Bandits when they inside Borno State. Now come and they tell us say the Air Force fire rubbish is all of all this. Just because when they allocate money, they go there to the siphon. To the siphon.
Oh, how do you go?
The Nigerian people. So for us come out in one accord.
No, they go see the fight us.
To challenge this government.
They go see the fight.
Is that we divide ourselves. Where we want to go? How? Where we want to go? Do you know how many things when they happen? As we speak, so what did they happen for communities when we say we don't be aware of bad things?
You not see community will go. Where's the Obayanto? Where do they call that community? We'll go for that.
Yeah. Now you Obayanto.
They shoot gun, they sell land. They not develop. And the Yoshi State government just tie that road now. All the boys that they come the grow that down and they come become Sojin Egbe Wager. Yet, I did sell and reach for Obayanto now. They not get hospital.
No strategic development.
No development. They not build school. They not even build market. They don't go to shout government. Okay. Hey, good evening, sir.
Yeah, hello, Apostle.
Yeah, Domo, sir. Yeah, volume, sir.
Yeah. The volume is okay.
Okay.
Just that Oga Victor, in a gentleman. You understand?
Good evening, sir.
So, his voice is some. His voice will become.
Yeah.
You understand? So na be true. But nevertheless, my own contribution for this matter, the way we see all these things display from social media news and all these things. When you talk about all these TV stations, all these Nigeria journalists, if you remember, if you follow Oshowore vividly during his campaign, you will see that Oshowore said the greatest problem we will face for Nigeria and the press and the television, because they know they tell the people what they need to hear. You understand me?
Yes.
So they tell the people what they want make them hear. You understand me? So that is the problem. And secondly, we promise them say very soon, the tele station to close down by himself will become a thing of the past. Why? Because of this new technology of devices will be now.
Yeah.
And very soon they will not have any news to report.
At all.
Rather, they will come to the streets. They will come to the streets. I know who have been on the streets today.
Yes.
I see that road. I see the connectivity of that road, but that road is there. Even the project, it's a dead project even before now. Because how can you say you want to create a kind of social underground project, then everywhere is covered with sand? Tell me, how will that project, how will it be successful?
Terrible.
When the Western world, if they do the thing like that, immediately they finish the project from, the drainage, they will cover everywhere. So that at the end of the day, even sand cannot penetrate. So how can such a project to be a successful one when everywhere is covered with sand? It will not work. But to them in Nigeria, they were seeing it as a big project. But when I visited Nigeria, I saw everything was nonsense. The road they constructed, even that is Lagos Road, I saw the way they bring it down. That is nonsense, absolutely nonsense. But the thing that what they're doing is the right thing. Just because people are not seeing such kind of thing, they'll be clapping. But they say that who know, they look. Who don't know, they happy. Now, when you talk about those road development and all those things, listen, what do senators they do? You understand me?
Yes.
What do they do? So, those people are supposed to bring the government, bring their attention to the development of their domain. They don't care. Where do they believe in their own pocket? You understand me?
Yes.
So, how will development come? Now, I say talker, government, they need to see be very much accountable and even be taught. Go outside there. Listen, Jesus said, let your kingdom come as it is in heaven. There is a very tendency that you must copy the standard of a progress mind or a progress country or a progress state.
Yes.
You understand? So for that journey this morning, I see a lot of things at the week. At the week, because you go have us, we don't live for abroad over 20 years, almost 20 years now, to come to see those kind of things with our eyes. Our children don't see darkness. Either they don't match that kind of thing. They don't match out for their life. You understand me? So, and more than 21st century, don't see there. How long will it take Nigeria to progress? What we need to do right now, listen, let them begin to hold every landlord accountable. If they want a working system, let the government employ the private sector. They will start all over again and begin to walk all the places they need to touch, all the roads. But what am I going to say? Every landlord in that zone, they have to contribute. Where would they abroad? Will they pay for Basura? Basura might be getting West Bin. Will they pay put at the end of the year? Will they pay for houses? Houses, if you buy a house, yeah, you will pay for you get the amount of money you will pay, the same you will pay to government every year. That money might be one of the two that develop all those places. You understand me?
Yes.
So the government now go contract a private sector where they maintain other places.
Finish.
Now we talk about maintenance culture. I think that one of your programs.
Yes.
Listen to that man when he talk about maintenance culture.
Yes.
They lack maintenance culture and they lack follow up. When we go make AIT go to verify all those work when they abandon.
And they won't do
The
it.
same work when you do today. Now what do they supposed to do? But they don't do it because they don't know. They don't know. So if, for example, they report all those projects. Now you can say government is going to show them what they don't do.
No.
Because they say to project all those they have missed because they fear they don't close their station.
Very
so
correct.
Your own is on the air. Nobody can close your own.
Yes.
So come as it is.
Yes.
You understand me? So these are one of the things. So I beg you, my brother, continue to showcase all these things. I know one day, someday, sometime, people in diaspora, you see the UK Parliament.
Yes.
You see the Nigerians now, they are even engaging themselves in politics.
Yes.
They are not even among the people that dictate the affairs of the countries where they live.
Yes.
Very soon, those guys will be deployed and come back to Nigeria. You will see that people will come with their working mind. They will first of all shoot all those things. And those people, they will be what? They will be untouchable. That's the way CNN don't hold Nigeria government accountable.
Of course.
Now the UK Parliament now, they are not drawing their attention, make them to know that they know everything that happen. So you will see that when those people come down to come back, you will say government officials. And they see for media today, some guys come from UK, they go shot this thing down within a pipeline in the fire, they go shut them down. They shut them down. What are they waiting for? They are waiting for government to comply to their demand. And I believe that at the long run, if the Northerners same day they don't agree, they start saying war will come. But that bit of war cannot come if everybody come together and speak one voice.
Yeah.
So that country is too rich to be poor, and it's too poor to be rich.
Yo.
Why is it poor to be rich? Because the kind of lifestyle where they live.
Extravagant life.
You buy Ferrari. You not get road. You buy an expensive car.
G-Wagon.
Lamborghini.
12 million.
250 million.
300 million.
Foolishness.
200 million.
Diaspora. If you buy a car where they consume fuel, police go tell you say you go put the pay for this conversion of the fuel. They're gonna put you say for what for the lot for you. Say you go one expensive car. They're going to put you for the expenses because they know what it takes to maintain the car. They know what it takes to fuel the car. They know what it takes to put insurance on the car. They know what it takes to put technical inspection for the car. So now be the thing. May they change their mindset. And the people that need to change their mindset, it is people like you. They need to be rising up and begin to be doing all these things. So that people, me, I believe that God never take it, never see what you go show today.
No.
She's only in the office. Nobody cares for her. Nobody invites her. Nobody meets her. Nobody. So all these things are lacking of vision. The lack of vision and idea. But that's why your back that road now, they don't complete her for that second.
National.
You understand me? So, man, my brother.
Thank you, sir.
I just pray someday, sometime, things go change.
Now, so.
And may God help us. If we can even come back to Nigeria, now only God will help our children to come back to Nigeria. Because our children, as they day here, so they don't even know. See, black card, to receive black card now against humanity. The worst thing, government go allow to happen to you now, make you don't get life for house, for your own house. They don't want you to say you don't get life. So, no matter how your economy go crumble as individual, there are some people, they call them Caritas, security personnel. You can they call assistant social, which is security personnel. They will make sure say your life, you get life for us. People they never get food for us. Because they don't want to make the children, they sell like darkness. So no matter what you call discover, then you call the whole say the children will come back.
My brother. My brother.
This what they see, so
My brother.
it's very difficult.
My brother.
But I believe.
My
God
brother.
will hear our prayer.
Amen. My brother, but wait, no verse, wait. Before you call Nigeria, you can't carry me, my first go enjoy what I enjoy for that side. Before you call, he's gonna beg you.
By God grace. By God grace. Everything is possible.
I beg.
Tell you, that's why they tell you, say, unless you go, he come, he go. But this your brothers, be in town. Very soon, you go see, say, people of the diaspora, now you call it, go. Even on your own platform, now we're going to get some information fast. When we're table over here. You understand me?
Yes.
So God don't bring you out, no matter what. Time is coming. Nowhere you go solicit for visa when they don't give you. Why? Because you want to come and copy what is in Western world and implement it in Nigeria. Because you have a working mind, because you have a vision. They will not deny, because what you are doing now, people are watching you.
Yeah.
People are watching you. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
If I didn't work, I will own your daughter. I may not comment, but I will own that. People when they around me, they will say yes. Na person they talk so. You understand me?
Yes.
So that's the thing.
Wow. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Oh, well say. See, my brother. See what he just come out of my mind. Why be say Saudi Arabia not be Muslim?
Muslim country, Arabic country.
Why be say the Muslim for Nigeria will develop Nigeria?
For where?
Oh my God. America Christian no dey.
I'm a Christian food there.
Why the Christian for Nigeria not fit develop Africa the first?
More rest. The caller when just call finish. God go bless you.
At the first.
God go bless you. You get
At the first.
You get what you talk when really touch me. When you talk about say you no get waiting or you both fit deprive from you. Say but light. Say no. You don't feel common light. That word touch me. So you don't feel understand. Touch me. Why? Because I can't dey try think. If ever for once I don't ever experience the Nigerian government when get the heart of the people. No, sir. No, sir. So many things, they worsen every day for our country, Nigeria. And people no fit come out. As I dey talk to now so, big apologies to anybody. I no fit count the numbers of people when they ask me for money on a daily basis. For my Facebook, some of them I don't even know them. But because they just say I dey do small upload on a daily basis. Sorry. Hello?
Hello, Damo.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome, sir. You're live on air, sir.
Yeah, it's your brother from Edigi family calling from Italy.
Oh, you're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir. You have the floor, sir.
Yeah, my name is Victor Samudiame.
You're welcome, Mr. Victor, sir.
Okay. If I'm waiting, I want to let you know, be say, no matter how you go talk rich, there is no perfect human being that will develop that country among all these politicians with this. So, I'm calling from Italy.
Yes.
Me, as we stay as I don't like Europe for one couple. The only thing where they baffle me when I say like Europe would make me see the European because of electricity.
Oh,
You can imagine.
If they fit give us stable electricity for Nigeria, but with the experience we don't get for Europe here, even without government, we can develop those states. What is the security? Security not the electricity.
Yes.
I agree with
Security
you.
not the economic.
I agree with you, my
There
brother.
is one thing, all of us we shout, we talk for Mr. Obaseki. But make Obaseki not bring us down. Why? Because Obaseki, even before Nigeria, Obaseki was the first governor between Nigeria and Britain when Benin Empire was existing. So you should know that if you want to claim the name back again, you have to do very well for us. Not be to the talk with her. Why it be say we no state Edo state not fit get construction company on their own?
Now, true word be this, oh.
We get big layers. We get Pankane, that district, that way be Pankane. 9 euro to the construct road for here. Now they take the tire road.
You dominate.
They go grind out small, other join this thing. What they call them?
Asphalt.
Asphalt. Put on top of concrete road. No water will go fit stay. I don't work now. Construction company they work. I know everything that they use for here, sir.
Oh.
How much they want to buy Caterpillar? Where they say every local government, every community, they'll get community workers, which is own winner. That be the work of own winner where they just keep for a do.
Yes.
Every community you get, anybody who did that community, now they go apply put. They go they work instead of awarding contract. Any governor will come say one construct road, you want a work contract, give anybody. You know say na thief, you want thief because you get percent inside. That money they use to take back Caterpillar, buy everything where they say the construct road. Does that mean say we not get anybody we go technical school, we not know how to work on all those things?
Plenty.
We will not go school for Europe here. Now we learn, follow them. We take 2 months, we don't cash up, they go and play us. And now we that they use for work. If I let talk of it, how much we go take our state governor, take build refinery where they go to refine it to concern palm oil. Go send my motherland. We have nothing less than 1,000 miles by 1,000 miles of land of Cane farm.
Oh.
All the rocky for them. Now individuals they go to use that they harvest after they do their own. They go to NEFO. What is the difficult? If our government make even forget everything, make it just invest money for that refinery to refine everything. We concern palm oil. If I let you know the next 10 years, the federal government can borrow money from Edo State.
Oh.
Very true.
Very correct.
We get trick inside. We get oil inside. We get that leaf, that palm leaf. Now the Chinese, now Malaysia say they do silly today, silly. That's the way they say the roof house.
Yes.
Now in Malaysia they use the producer today. And they don't know how to do everything, which is a wow till they sleep that time.
Yes.
They do. If you design a use and take do silly for your house, better. You go if I pass any other thing for this world.
Oh.
What will be our problem? Just imagine now we get road, all the do road, all wide. We get space. Why our government not fit do one? Say make them construct gutter put. Make them want to make everybody, make them concrete their house or the big things the road. So that make a Sasano the entire gutter. The road not go fine. Or the government do one. They each person house, they build small stuff for each person house. Rent them out to people, register them, make them they pay in tax. That one not going to increase our economy.
You go increase.
If I anything for this world, there not be Greek, now common sense.
That's so. You
When I
correct.
this small, they hear from Waipa, but the Samir Diki, he said the highest education in this world is traveling. If you travel, you see things or familiar things. You go to learn. Travel with me, travel with partner school I did for you. I not like Europe one day.
Oh.
And I believe very soon I go pack my load, I'll come back home.
I beg.
Why?
Come
Because
join
no place
me.
like home.
Come join me,
We
move
not
do
get
the state.
freedom for you. Now, Nigeria, now freedom day.
Oh.
Then you get one word to it was a Muslim. Why Muslim with the Nigeria not fit develop Nigeria rather Christian?
Yeah.
A Panadol will make everything worse.
Oh.
Those two religion is not for Africa. They brought those two religion to Africa to change our name, to change our language, and to change our attitude so that they will feel conquer us. That is their mission. In their country, they are peaceful with Muslim. Muslim are peaceful with Christian. Christian are peaceful with Muslim. Why Nigeria? Why this in Nigeria? We where they don't learn. We where they teach religion. We can't carry on for head more than the people will get up. Aye, pa.
My brother, you do well, oh.
And there's one thing one secret thing when I want to let you know. We're going to be years. We know they speak a door for Nigeria again. No Nigerian language we they speak we go clear for us.
Ew. Where's my brother?
If until the traditional, until our monarch, our king, take over their position back again to collect their land from all these corrupt politicians, Nigeria no go better.
You try very well. Wonderful contribution. Where's
If
it?
I wanna try, I wanna see the reason with Obaseki.
Eh, with the
Make you
reason.
see everything what Bermuda do for ground. Mostly that's our palm oil farm. If you fit build refinery put, do better. When they grow, they come more than 12,000 workers. Let they work for 9-4. But today no worker for them again.
Oh. But I do well.
If I wait happen, wait be the problem of Testament Road. Say Obaseki not fit break come back, or any governor not fit bring back again. Testament Road. Testament. You know how many workers were supposed to be there?
Now what you talk so? Now strong word you talk so. Strong word. That time I record with Eribo every day. Oh, because my papa pretend to me. Eribo kill papa project. If they do politics, they go yeah pikin. Eribo is a very
All of them want do new projects.
Yeah.
They forget their own share inside.
Eribo
Why
na
they
yeah
don't build
pikin.
everything back?
Very
They
yeah
don't
pikin.
do. Our Testament, our 9-4. They made their own win and made them bring them back. Where they see whether I don't know will develop. Or build a mega city. A mega city. We were there Europe here, we ready. Make Obaseki just carry one bush, come out, go to a mega city. Make it start the designing. If now land, we go to buy for that. They build that. What they instead of we to do, we go we go fit carry car. We go start to develop all those things.
That's true, my brother. Thank you for the wisdom. Oh. Thank you for this wisdom. I appreciate
So
you,
now
my
what I
brother.
want to if I continue everything way they talk.
Okay,
not
sir.
hide, not there whether now Obaseki na your friend though.
Na so na.
Is there this one or this one?
Na so na.
Tell her the truth. Talk how it's supposed to be.
That's what they be. Tell friend true, you know they spoil friend. What is bad is what is not good is bad. Well
And
say
I want to beneath for you, Epa.
Last
I
Edo.
want to beneath for you.
last edo.
Èmi náà sunu bẹ gbọ́ Obaseki Nepa. Alerun erijebe na tie olóyè láwùrẹ́ di olóyè láwùrẹ́ di alọyàn fúnṣẹ́. Ọ̀ká màmá yà sọ the 80s. Màá tẹ́wẹ̀ òmẹ́kọ̀ gbanẹ́dọ́wọ́ ìrẹ́ ìta. Ọ̀wẹ́ ta lerun ẹ̀dọ́gẹ́ yuma.
Ìrọ̀lọ́.
Obaseki náà máa yuma náà Obaseki.
Yeah.
Màá ó náà Obaseki náà kí ni èmi ẹ̀dọ́ tákì ní family ẹni. Náà gẹ̀lẹ́ mú ma forward náà fi èyí àwòrán yẹ. Màá rí màá ó náà ọjẹ́. Ima juma mana juma niye but oga ye ko mi ma baba ma we ka me we ono fi gbe kan mi no set oro fi e we gbe
Just a little my brother. Here go Obaseki. If no we know, or say money, or say manabe mudia. Now I mege ingwe no ma be u no ma be dege. Ma fe ya la dia. Kukpo na be ma be ta and if no be u ma be ta. So just a no go do Obaseki. If no we ya u or ga we ani makawa match bomber to bomber. Ima wale le bomber to bomber. So a contract in anything. Contract ma wa munikin. So I worry just a no go do
wa me baba
a contract in
ye
money.
ya mo contract of malabia anything no concern even appear if the finally there na ya refer anything concern palm or yeni
Yes.
ye na mo labia ona we ni do ya ni rewe bo na donate 50 euro ya ni we be do ni rewe bo ma we are more than 100,000
Yes, Obu.
when I donate 50 euro I donate 50 euro when I go no ni hipa
Obi go be anything now.
Where
You go no kwa anything. You go no kwa no.
so wa mu ona ma no ati aweta ma ati dete wo ba ko lo na me wo be refinery ma refinery no cost any amoye man wa first economic even with the Portuguese history merit history student you can read this trick abo Elawure grammar school you ije na ye ija uchi poli the mass communication you read history you read them ya fe ma why so warrior palace school. But what we are trying to do say is that where if nothing like no place like home.
You don't know.
There is no freedom. Nothing like waro wawe.
Oh,
Ware wawe.
where's my
Yeah, you
brother?
party my pa we bona I mean ma we ma.
Where's it, sir? Would loud the baby call him Ahua, and what it be call him Ahua, and what we turn.
Baba.
Where's it, sir?
Nobody bow. Nobody ya call now.
In Nigeria number show now. Nigeria number na here. Where's it? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, my people. You see my brother saying that can now? You know, say I first come out just now. I go plug bitter leaf. You know, say if I want to talk so can't matter, I'll go chop bitter leaf. Talk am as it be. This one a bitter leaf. Hey boy, whoa! Can you chop bitter leaf like this? Are you sure?
The bitter finish.
A bitter finish. Hey boy, whoa na here. If I want to talk so can't matter, I'll chop bitter leaf. Truth. Yeah, you need to be no right. I mean, me. This one a truth be this. I don't go plug bitter leaf. This one a truth. Matter again. If by the time I talk, each time I will talk with you, I want to talk. Talk with my people.
You get waiting the last caller just talk finish no. I can't even reflect say get waiting I read online. Say the amount when Nigeria don't spend to take import palm oil, red oil, now 500 million naira.
To import oil.
When we don't take
Meanwhile, we get 9-4.
I don't say export when we don't take import 500 million.
Oh man,
He can't get nothing when he talk again now. When Apostle say why the Muslim and the Christian don't develop. When he can't talk say they use religion to divide us. I can't remember say as we speak right now for Dubai, we get one mosque when they call Holy Mary Mother of Jesus mosque. Wait till I talk so. Go type am. For Dubai as we speak right now, you get one mosque. Now mosque so where they pray, they call them Holy Mary Mother of Jesus mosque. Combination. They come as they say why una do this? They say they want you to bridge the gap between Christian
and Muslim.
Why we, when they carry the thing come meet us black people, we dey use and they divide ourselves to go.
You scatter ourselves.
When we take get sense, Nigeria people. When now?
My brother, talk am as it be. Dubai na Muslim. Why be say Muslim for Nigeria fit develop Nigeria? There are other country Christian day. Why be say Christian for Nigeria not fit develop Nigeria? There's something is wrong somewhere. With me, our Christianity not the real. Our practice is not the genuine. Obubu yeye. We are not true to ourselves. That it should be that. All those Senate presidents, they know they go church.
They go church.
They know they go mosque. So there is something wrong with our foundation. Make we leave ancestral altar. This will not get you to do with ancestral altar. This is not mindset. This will not be ancestral altar. See, in 1960, now we know they commit all this evil and this crime. Tell friend truth, you know this boyfriend. What is bad, what is not good is bad. Tell friend truth, you know this boyfriend. Tell friend truth. Madam, call directly. Call directly. I know they try to call for WhatsApp. I don't say that way they call somebody they calling. Call directly. When we are drunk, when we call it WhatsApp. Now people like me supposed to talk about WhatsApp. Mama call directly. Now people like us supposed to call for WhatsApp. You were there, but they call direct. No worry, call that. Call the WhatsApp now. You go pick. I don't pick him. I don't pick him. Talk come out to I don't pick him.
Hello, Pa.
Mama.
Good evening.
Good evening, Mama.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Ma.
I want to join this topic.
Talk.
Hello?
Talk. We dey hear you, Ma. Talk.
Okay. I want to join the road where we watch today, where show.
Jonah.
For here, they do road, they take very, very short time to take do the road. Number one. Number two, if you dey pass for road where rain dey fall, you no go know say rain dey fall at all because the road, the water dey draw the things wey dey for the road. You dey get me so? So all the things wey dem dey do, what they do for Nigeria, they will do one road. I'll go back, go Nigeria, come back how many years, come back again the next year, come back years again, still they do the same road, which is not good at all. So if they do all those for a year, immediately, you know they take time before you go work home. They don't finish one part of you. Could imagine, say, how come? Well, before I go work home, this road they don't already try and finish now. even they don't even finish and maybe reach some part of it. Understand me? So I don't really understand what thing they do. Those people they tie road.
They be evil people. Oh, all of them be chiefs.
Everywhere. The first caller before say they get to talk to the landlord, which I don't think that's thing before, because for the front of your house you get to smell.
Oh.
What kind of they stay somebody house again? Because here they do all those things for years. Any house where you go there, tire, you know they sit stand for ground. You go there, even when you go there for the costa go they draw the water go inside ground. You know they follow gutter. That is you know go they start, you go they soak the water. But they soak the water. The way you go they match the rain, not they fall.
I want to cry.
He go dry totally.
I want to cry. I want to cry for Nigeria.
I been one call before, but as I just hear from you say Maradona died, so I just feel so bad.
I want to cry.
So that is why.
Maradona when they play ball.
Pardon.
I want to cry.
Yeah, when they play ball.
Oh, may so rest in peace. I want to cry for Nigeria.
Yeah, because for here, I not there house, I go where they work. Before they don't share money for everybody domot for the COVID. They press my bed, I'm not there. They press my bed, my children are not there. They can't come inside. We bring money for me, so I'm not there.
Mama, that's not true.
Mama, not lie. No, lie.
So they have the
wait.
Share things for Nigeria. Wait. They press your bed as they have.
They don't come direct enter. Hey, bro, good evening.
Apostle.
Hey, good evening, sir. I want to cry for my country.
Are you getting on live?
We are alive. I want to cry.
Is it live?
We did live, my brother.
You know, well, anyway, I don't know if you still did live. I just want to make one little.
I did live, my brother.
We are live on air, sir.
We are live on air, talking.
You know, today, Apostle, there's this video where you make today, where you now record that Welu.
Yes.
If you look that area, you to talk something Israel, we got to consider say, those projects are gigantic projects. As far as I'm concerned, it don't take nothing to get that kind of money. The way to raise money, we never really create for that state. A lot of us will do for diaspora. We don't really send Nigeria like that. Now our state will really send, which is a Edo state. I got to be honest with you. We don't really send Nigeria because Nigeria is our kind of abadabidi country like that. But our state, now we really send. If you look the kind of project, if you go look at the state budget, we never create how to make money to take carry out a big project like that. The money not there.
The money day. Money day. You don't see the actual someone like God build. There is money. Money day. Bro, money day. Money day.
The reason why I say not day.
Money day.
As a government, you got to create a room to take harness money. No. This hear me out, Pastor. Just hear me out.
Hey, go ahead. No, go ahead.
You see, to tie road, to tie 1 kilometer of road, you got to know what it costs.
Okay.
And those things today, some few years ago, they look at those things as civil servant things. So can't see what better they do and some few things when somebody like Oshomole do. Nobody believes that can happen for it. So they call it those things civil servant things. As far as I'm concerned, what this government should be working upon now to create avenue where we people get money.
That's true.
They make money, like in terms of industrialization. That's why I told say maybe they get refinery to do that, oil palm, things like that. Or pretend, so if you look, you will see the kind of agreement when those states and Indian government when they go into to expand that to common. I don't know whether I'm on see that thing.
Yes, we shall.
Of pretend, so you see, one thing I noticed about Obaseki, they do projects of today. If they do long-term projects, when they do 4, 5, 6 years to come, you will see what you do.
That's true.
So as far as I'm concerned, when you don't get good resources, you don't go carry out a gigantic project. Because the first thing you want to do mushroom to continue to deceive the people. Now you big projects now billions. Now they say the big projects.
May they cut down on their enumeration. They should cut down on their enumeration and the rest.
Everybody know the way forward. Say, okay, see what this government will do. Just like, for example, now, if you go to Onigbe today, you can see that their palm oil. You hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
If you go to Onigbe today, that oil palm the Oba Secretary to revive now. In another 6, 8, 10 years to come, you're supposed to know what will come out for that place. But today they just need the investment, so nobody feel really see what you do there now. So as far as I'm concerned, before waiting the formula from majority of the governors, they'll just go Abuja, they'll just collect money, they'll take their own, they'll pay the people for salary, they hold, they don't want to talk about their own stuff. That was exactly what was happening in the day. But today, people go to the drawing board, they bring things, they bring money come. Because one thing they say, to come talk about this, to tax people, like say, come pay for housing, or come pay for this, or come pay for this, or the money level, they certainly they earn 18,000 naira or 30,000 naira at the end of the month. Now I'm going to pay for, like the person what they pay for here. If the person not pay afford that, how cheap would they land? The only way when people tax people, now when you create a good and then environment for people to thrive, the business will boom. When you tax people, they will see how you tax them. Not because you tax them, how should they come? This criminal activity that's what those people, like just small thing with this one. So if you try that kind of thing, there will be a problem in the land. So as far as I'm concerned, a lot of us will be diaspora. Some of us will be professionals. We will look what they happen. The majority of the when we go to themselves, nobody likes to stay abroad. Nobody.
That's true.
Everybody wants to come back home. But the only thing they say is just that some of us will fear the fear of the unknown. You never get that kind of money when you give that confidence and they go out and go fail. If we make up our mind, we go 6 months and we don't run again.
Thank you, sir.
We don't run again. So my point is, we just have to work with the government, bring ideas. Let's see what we can do. What we will bring more money, more revenue for state government to really do better projects.
That's true. Not true. We are very, very correct. Very, very correct. See, my brother, time without you 20 minutes pass. Make a choice, money the government. Tell friend to know the spoil friend. What is not good is bad. May they call down the money they share give politicians. All those money they buy Jeep, give themselves. That's what I like about the kill. You know they don't call down their money when they chop. When they call the class, say, hey guy go, you know they share money. The truth be saying, money where politicians they consume, it reach the developed state.
Times 10.
Money where politicians they consume, my brother. That money it reach develop our state.
Consider their own hotels when they build.
See hotel they build.
Consider their own hotels when they build.
In less than 2 months, they don't build 5
standard hotel. Billions. Which work he work?
Which job? How about the salary?
Which work he work? They get that money. They build billions of naira hotel.
Anyway, we'll continue from here tomorrow because matter full grand. What my brother talks on are true. They will bring you that side come. Say money day. They live extravagant life. Champagne, they'll go Kilimanjaro, go buy champagne, a bottle now, 350,000 naira for one bottle.
They don't drink it with the pump for grand.
But they try for grand. For champagne, 350,000. They that bottle today. I'll go video them. They that bottle today, 165,000. Then they waste. Una do well. God bless all of una. When I share this book, my brother talks so they say the reason people to follow us because they talk true. I will continue to talk true.
Yes, so
stop it. Nothing will stop her. So now do well. We'll continue to do what continue we do. Una do well. God bless all of una. My name is Apostle Alfred Uyinosa.
And I'm Victor Olise.
Una do well. Una good night.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Let us know what you think for comment section. And before you go, I beg, try make you help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for they know the things where they happen for Edo State. Anytime I upload new video to this my YouTube channel, if you be my subscriber, you go be the first person to see am. This not the reason why you need to subscribe. So make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.